Hi friends, now we are going to see a very small program on arithmetic operations. So here in this program I have taken two variables at first, that is number 1 and number 2. So number 1 is referencing 90 and number 2 is referencing 80. And another variable add. So in that I have given number 1 plus number 2. Now this 90 plus 80 is added together and the add variable now is referencing to this value 170. Likewise, with subtraction I have given and printed the output, and with multiplication and with division, yes, all that follows. And when it comes to exponential, I have used the variable subtraction exponent 2. So the output of subtraction we get is 10. So 10 exponent 2 means 10 square. So is equal to 100. So yes, this is it. So friends, join me in this journey of learning. Bye-bye. Take care.